how to fix not receiving the Epic Games verification code on your email. So I'm gonna explain why this happens and what you have to do. Honestly, this is because the servers are having some issues and you're not having any issues specifically with your account. So basically you will just see the screen like so, and if you want to fix it, it doesn't really depend on you. All you have to do is be patient and wait. Now it can take up to 2 to 3 minutes to actually receive the email for from Epic Games actually, but you will receive the email address on the one that is linked to your account. Just make sure that you have not inputted incorrectly and that you have not made any typos. But if you are certain that it is the correct email address, just keep on refreshing your email box, and for up to 5 minutes, you should receive it in up to 5 minutes at most, and then you can verify your login onto Epic Games. So I hope this helps you out. Hope this kind of calms you down. It's really nothing on your end. So leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.